Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and to all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, make sure that you're hitting that bell bar next to the subscribe button. That way you always are notified every time I upload another free reading and you don't miss out. So before we get started, I have gotten so many questions on my cleansing spray, so I just made some new ones. I have about 6 left, so if you guys are interested in purchasing that, then go ahead, go to my website and you can purchase from there. But basically, if you want to make your own, I will leave a video link down below where I show you guys how to make your own. All you need is water, sage, and roses. But I do sell my own because I put a little secret ingredient in there that's very powerful to remove negative energy. And then I also have this charged over 1,000 times with a very powerful mantra to remove negative energy. I'll include a little clip of how I charge it at home right here. But basically, this is a really good spray to cleanse your area and to lift the vibrations. Roses lift vibrations. Sage cleanses the area, removes all negativity. So you guys can purchase or you guys can make your own. I'll leave both of the information linked down below. Anyways, today's video is going to be a reading on what does your spirit want to tell you. So many times we get so caught up with everyday life or with our relationships or work or our children or, our responsibilities that we forget to listen to our inner voice and we forget to listen to our spirit. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a reading about what your own inner voice and what your own spirit is trying to tell you. So what you're going to need to do is pick a card. Pick card number 1, card number 2, or card number 3, whichever one jumps out at you, whichever one you're drawn to, go ahead and pick that one, and we're going to read your card now. If you picked card number 1, I'm going to go ahead and read yours. Now, you got the transparency card. Honest, authentic, genuine, and present are your power words. So basically, the message for you, what your spirit is trying to tell you, is to stop hiding yourself. Stop trying to conform to what everybody else wants. I feel like you are trying way too hard to please everyone else, and meanwhile, you're losing yourself. You're hiding your genuine self. You're hiding your authentic self. You're hiding the things that you love. You're hiding the things that you believe in because you feel like either people will make fun of you, people won't understand, that people will think you're weird, or that people will get angry, or that it's so different from what you've grown up with and what you've been taught that people will get angry. But what this card is telling you is that your spirit is telling you to be honest. Now, if there's a relationship in your life where you've just kind of been biting your tongue and you've been wanting to say something and you can't, or you're holding yourself back, your spirit is telling you stop. You have to be honest and you have to be genuine, and like right now in this present moment, stop worrying about what's going to happen in the future. Stop worrying about everything that you've been taught in the past. Like, you need to be yourself. Release yourself. Like, let your spirit be free. Like, the things that you enjoy, stop being afraid to enjoy it. The things that you like, stop being afraid to let people know that you like these things. Things that you believe in, be open about it. Be authentic and be genuine with yourself. Your spirit is really asking you to show more of who you are. So that is your reading for today. I hope that this helped and resonated a little bit with you. If you guys want to go more in depth with me, you can go ahead and book a 30-minute reading on my website, which I will leave linked down below. But if you picked card number 2, we're going to go ahead and do your reading next. So for everybody that picked card number 2, the card that you got is Yamaya. Yamaya, Grandmother Ocean, Primordial. So those are your power words. So this card is, Yamaya is like a goddess, an Orisha of the ocean. She's a very beautiful god of the sea. And what this card is saying is, it's something to do with like a motherly energy. Either you are craving a motherly energy, or you're missing your mom, or you are a mother and you're craving a better bond and a better relationship with your children. This card is really saying to bond with either a mother energy or a child energy. It's something that you want. It's something that is going to help you. And it's something that you have been actually kind of craving. This card is also telling your spirit to own your own power and explore the things that you can give birth to, and that empower you. So you need to see the divine in yourself, in your body, in your femininity, and like in your womb. Really see the power that you truly have, because in the womb is where creation happens, and it's where creation is nurtured. And so what this card is telling you is for you to really nurture your spirit. Your spirit wants to be nurtured. Pay attention to your spirit. Feed your spirit. That means everything that you love, keep doing it. Everything that makes you happy, keep doing it. Things that make you excited, follow that. So your spirit is really asking you to nurture yourself. And if you still have your mom or your children in your life, or if you are a mom, or if you have a grandma in your life, or you have a motherly figure in your life, some woman that you look up to, or if there's a child out there that looks up to you, really pay attention to that energy, and just spend a little bit more time with that, because I feel like that is going to nurture your spirit, and your spirit is going to benefit a lot from that kind of an energy. So that is your reading for today. If you guys want to go more in depth with me, then go ahead and book a reading on my website, which I will leave linked down below. Again, these are really, really quick, fast readings for you guys. And if you guys picked card number 3, we're going to go ahead and read that right now. And the card that you got is the fertility card, potential, powerful creative energy, initiation energy. So the message that this card is telling you is that there's either a project you've been working on, either you've been putting in extremely hard work on something for the past few months, years, days, whatever. These are things that you have put in so much of your energy, your time, your focus, your power into, and it's saying that it's going to come into fruition. Like in the coming month, you're going to have a huge shift in energy where you're going to see the fruits of your labor. This is also saying that you've worked so hard on something that you're kind of afraid to take a risk with it, because you feel like you don't want to lose out, or you don't want all your hard work to go to waste, or you're afraid of success, or you have limiting beliefs that if you do take a risk, or if you do go forward with something, it might change your life completely. And there are people out there that are so afraid of success because it will like snatch them out of their comfort zone. But success is always a good thing. And getting out of your comfort zone is always a good thing. So another thing that this card is saying is that you're about to give birth to your dreams, like everything that's been inside of your mind that you want to do, somehow it's going to come into your reality. If you've had an idea but you've been afraid to act on it, you're going to get an opportunity to be able to do something with that idea very, very soon. So that's what this card is saying. And this card is also saying for you to be creative. It's saying for you to stop being so consumed with work and with everyday responsibilities, and just do something creative. Paint, sing, dance, like do something where you are having fun and creating something, because this is going to help your energy a lot. This is going to help your mind get clear. It's going to help you attract and manifest the things that you've been wanting to in your life quicker. So this is a really quick reading for you if you picked card number 3. Now, if you guys want to go more in depth with me, then go ahead and book a reading on my website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned and subscribed. That way you'll never miss out on another free reading on my channel. I do free readings every single week. And also, head over to my Instagram, which I will leave linked down below. I do almost daily readings there on my channel too. I pick a card every single day, and you guys can talk to me over there as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.